Hi, my name is Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a technique to help you manifest your dream life. I know you've probably heard of a vision board, but what about a vision book? So this is super helpful for anyone that isn't always at home to look at their vision board, or if you're like someone that isn't always on your mobile devices. After many years of making vision boards, I decided to make a vision book for myself because I really wanted something that would be easy for me to like transport while I'm moving, and I also didn't want something on display in my dorm room. I also like how as the year goes on, I can continue adding to it, and I can also take pages out. A vision board is a manifestation technique that is basically a collection of quotes and images that represents the life you want to have and things you want to bring into your life. So you want to think about like categories and pages that you want to incorporate in your vision book. Basically, the categories are just things that you want to like bring into your life, manifest into your life, and you don't have to use every single category. It's just something that helps when you're looking for pictures to add to your vision book. I wrote everything down on my phone and I'll like pull it up right here, and I had like main categories and subcategories, and the main categories were going to be the actual pages in my book, and then the subcategories were the type of images that I was going to look for. Your list doesn't have to be as fleshed out as mine. My brain just like thinks so much, and I have a lot of interests and like so many things that I want to bring into my life. Now on to the fun part, how to make your vision book. Find pictures that resonate with you and match the categories that you're looking for. There's no right or wrong way to finding images. Just choose whatever images spark joy and happiness into your mind. Put some music on, then cut out and organize your images. Grab some glue or tape and start putting this baby together. I use scrapbook paper and stickers to personalize my book. There's no right or wrong way. It totally depends on you and your life and whatever works for you. Personally for me, I have a mindful morning routine and I incorporate my manifesting routine into that. And it's something that I do every single morning, almost every single morning. So every day I take a few minutes to look through my book. Sometimes I look through the entire book, or sometimes I look through specific pages. It totally depends on how I feel or like what I feel like focusing on for that day. The book also helps me with visualization because like I have a photographic memory, and like as I go about my day, sometimes I remember the things I was like studying, like looking through my book. So it's super helpful for that, and I feel like that's one thing that has really helped me actually bring majority of the things in this book to life. You can use your vision book to motivate you. I also have like an affirmations page in here, so sometimes if I just feel like I need affirmations, I don't even have to like look on my phone or anything, I just have it in my book already. Please keep in mind, there are some pages where I have like things covered up because like I know some people talk about like not sharing every single goal with everyone because, you know, there's some people that have the evil eye out for you, and I just don't want to jinx myself because I feel like that has happened in the past with certain things, and I'm like pretty wary about stuff now. But yeah, majority of the things I am sharing with you. So I decorated the front. I'm not the best painter, but I think it looks kind of cute. It says the best is yet to come. I'm not done with it, but I'm pretty happy about it. The book opens up like this. I have a few blank pages because I was gonna add like a title page on the inside with my name. I really wanted this book to be like one that I can use for like years rather than something that's only for 1 year. The first 2 pages that I have, it's just a 2022 one. The way I formatted this was I had 2 blank pages, so like when 2022 is over, I can just like rip them out and then start with 2023. So I am a Christian, So I just have like a page like dedicated to God, and it's just a bunch of reminders and Bible verses that I really like. Also, when I was going through the categories, I organized the pages in a specific way, like from most important to like least important. You don't have to do that, but I just personally did that. The next set of pages I have is a gratitude page. One of the key factors to manifesting is to always be grateful for where you are right now. Always be grateful for everything you have right now. The next part of the book is a page for positive affirmations. So this just has like a bunch of positive affirmations. I'll let you read like what it says for the positive affirmations part. The next section, words to remember. These are just like short little quotes, blurbs of words, like a full send to remind myself, like I can just look at this page in the morning and I feel ready for the day. This is a page that I really like. It's I want to feel, and then it's just a lot of things that are really personal to me that I like know the feelings of. I live not too far from the woods and the beach, and like just looking at these pictures, I know what the feeling is because it's something that I feel all the time, and these are my happiest moments. The next page, school related. I'm in college right now, so I just want to get like good grades, and I have some like positive affirmations on this page. The next one, wellness is a state of being. These are just some reminders like energy takers, energy givers, how to become a better you every day. A lot of the things that I have in my Pinterest boards as well are in this book. My brain's so big. The next page, health is wealth. So this just has like people skating, girls doing yoga, working out, running, people eating well, some people that are like bod goals, just a lot of good stuff to remind myself to work out and be healthy. This is one of my favorite ones. This was super hard because I printed out a lot of pictures for this section, but live your best life. This is basically how I want my life to look like. I want a lot of camping, a lot of hiking, a lot of adventures with friends, a lot of skating, surfing, and just good times with friends. And it's pretty crazy because I've been living this life, and concerts. The next one, hobbies. So a hobby, an activity done regularly in one's leisure time for pleasure. I have a bunch of hobbies, and I also have a bunch of hobbies that I want to improve on. Like I added guitars because I want to improve on guitar, and then I have someone snowboarding because I want to try snowboarding. Oh, I love this page too. So this just says it is yours. This is just a lot of camera equipment that I'm manifesting into my life. We have the Sony camera and a drone, a bunch of film cameras. This is basically, I just want to like have a bunch of like film cameras and shoot a lot of film. And then I have a GoPro, a Super 8 camera, and I have some lenses to film surfing and stuff. The next pages have to do with acting. So I just have like, I am an actress. Like in this corner I have shows that I would want to work on, or like the type of shows that I would want to be on. Then I have some like actresses. The three of them are like similar looking-ish to me, like we're in the same like realm. So that's why I added them, so I could like see myself in that position. And then I have an affirmation right here, great roles are finding me. This next one, I hid some brands, not all of them, because I was like, I don't want anyone to hate me. I've actually worked with a brand on this, so that's pretty awesome. But I am a model. There's a whole bunch of brands that I really want to work with, and I will work with. The next one, I am a film major and I want to work in the film industry. So I have this thing, you're gonna go far, kid. If anyone knows that song, comment down below. I tried to make sure that I like got a lot of like women filming because I really want to be a DP, or being a director would be cool. I'd want to be a director in the television industry or a DP for movies. But yeah, I just have the control room. Then I have some scenes from like 13 Reasons Why, Euphoria, and Outer Banks. Because again, I'd want to work on those shows whether it's in front of the camera or behind the camera. Now on to my favorite page that I have been looking at like every day this week. You deserve your dream car. I sure do. And I also added the license plate that I want. I really want the Whale, California license plate because protect our coast, and it's so cute. Because people are always like, oh, when you want to manifest something, you have to know exactly what you want to manifest. But for me, I'm like, there's so many cars that I want, and I'd be grateful to get any of them. Just whatever car takes me on an adventure. So I decided I'm just gonna manifest them all. Whichever one I get first, that'll be the one. Man, I'm stoked. This is more of like an inspo type of page, but I have shoe spo, hair spo, and fit spo. And I actually sort of got one of these hairstyles. Like, my braids used to be like lower, but I got these shorter, and I'm gonna go like probably like that short. But I'm super proud of myself because that was really hard to take that leap. And I know like most of these outfits are pretty basic, but it's just they look cute on the people, but for me I'm like, oh my god, I'm not gonna look good in it. So I have them here. The next section I have is Wanderlust. So it's just a bunch of places that I would love to travel to. We have like places in Hawaii. I think this is like Colorado or Utah. Utah's down here. And then I have Big Bear, Arizona, Oregon, Mammoth Mountain, Big Sur again, Australia. That's like my top place that I really want to go to. Colorado, Lake Tahoe. And yeah, some of these places I've been before, but most of them I've never been, and I just think it'd be a good time. This says adventure awaits, go find it. It's basically a continuation to the go live your life, or the live your best life one. And it's just a bunch of people like hiking, camping, having fun in the ocean. This next page, but yeah, like Nash and his girl, their goals. So this is, there is nothing you cannot have. There are no limitations. I didn't know what else to put for this, but basically it'd be cool to have a boyfriend. This isn't something that's why it's like towards the back, because it's not something that I'm like, oh my god. You know, like this is the last in my mind, but it's just basically a bunch of couples doing stuff like that I'd want to do, like camping, van life, surfing and skating together. And then some people that I saw on Pinterest that are super cute. And then these are a specific person that my friends know who is, but I'm not gonna tell you. And then this last page, I literally just started it, and it's just a bunch of concerts I want to go to. Most of these have already passed, but they're also bands that I really want to see. So that's everything in my vision book. I hope that you decide to make one. Please let me know if you want any more manifestation related videos. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'm sending good vibes your way.